Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on a or two room, general cleaning, deep floor cleaning here on the wood floor. Check it out with me. You can see there's some areas here. Now these patches are not, they are worn into the or not into the carpet, but into the wood grain. So those patches aren't going to come up here. They're going to get a little lighter in color, but they're not fully going to come up. We're just doing a deep cleaning. So any of those dark areas is what we're mainly focusing on. And then we're also bringing the floors back to their natural state. All right. So here we are adding the neutralizer cleaner. So this is bringing the pH levels back down. The first process, we emulsified the dirt. We took the pH levels up to 12, which is very high, to an acidic level to break down the dirt. Now we're going to encapsulate the dirt that we're going over and neutralizing the floor. You can see it's a little moist. I sprayed it, so there's some wetness over there. I put down the neutralizer, allowing it to work in. And now we're scrubbing it in with the orbiter. We're buffing it into the grains of the wood. We're really working it in, neutralizing the floor. And as you can see, it looks a lot better. There's a natural glow to it. It's at its natural state. And that's what you want. When you put Mop and Glow and Rejuvenate, there's some other over-the-counter, cleaners. All they have is they have a wax in there, polyurethane wax, and that just sits on top of the wood and just collects dirt. And then this cleaning process doesn't get fully rid of it, but it breaks it all down and gets 80% of it up. The process to get the full thing up would be a strip in wax, and that's where you strip the whole entire floor and re-wax it. But it's a finisher that you put on. It's no longer a wax, so it lasts a lot longer, and the floors look great. All right, here is from the cleaning that we just finished. Here's the dirty water, that's the clean side. Here's the dirty side. So, as you can see, it was really dirty. We got that all up. There's some sitting there, we're going to have to rinse that out. And that's what we pulled up out of the wood floor. This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're finished here with the 2-room wood floor cleaning here. Let's take a look and see how it turned out. As you can see the natural glow. Look at the lights gleaming off. Even up there in the front, you can see it's back to its natural glow and its natural state. These floors came out pretty good. I did advise the customer they are going to have to do a sand and recoat. So that's definitely recommended here. That's what's going to get rid of these dark areas. This discoloration here, that's scrubbed down from furniture and things being moved. There was carpet on top of here before. They pulled the carpet up. So this is what was underneath. But they're beautiful floors. These floors can be saved. Anybody else that tells you, anyone else that sells flooring, they're going to tell you they need to be replaced. These floors do not need to be replaced. They just need to sand and recoat, and they'll be good to go. So like I did say, they came out good. You can see the natural glow there. All right, that's no Mop and Glow or anything like that. You can see it shining on the floor. The floors aren't wet, they're dry. It's back at its natural state, and that's what you want. There you go. You want this natural state because when you're cleaning with those Mop and Glows, those are the only things that they sell at the store. That has it has soap in there. Not only that, it has polyurethane, a small amount, and that builds up on it. So it's layer on layer on layer. Every time you clean and it dries, it's layer, and that builds up dirt. And all it does is just build up dirt in between those layers, and that's how it looks like this over time. And that just builds in, and that's not, that's not what you want to have. You want to just use a natural floor cleaner. And you can ask for that at Lowe's or Home Depot. Just say, I have wood floors, I'm looking for a natural cleaner, or neutral cleaner, just neutral.